So, hello and welcome. So, I want to show to you how the GraphQL, no, not the GraphQL, the PostgreSQL interface for WinCC Unified works. Yeah, so I have made it and built it in Rust. So, behind the scenes, it is using the GraphQL server of WinCC Unified. And yeah, we have here now one executable. This one is built for Windows. But of course, you can also build it for Linux and Mac as well. So Rust is here very flexible, and you just have to pass the URL for the graphical server. In that case, it is running on the same PC. Yeah, so it is up and running. Here we see WinCC Unified running. And yeah, with that done, now you can already access the data of your WinCC Unified system via a PostgreSQL client. So here I have this tool Table Plus, and yeah, let's see. So here we are now querying the tag list, and we are filtering PV values. So we are only getting the PV values, photovoltaic values. And here you see already we have different object types: logging tag, simple tag. And yeah, let's try another one. Just a tag list ordered by the object type. So also that is possible. So it is really capable of doing also a little bit more complex type of queries. Let's query here now. Yeah, PV order by tag name and so on. Limit. Let's remove the limit. It's not needed here. So then, and you see it is already still very fast. We are getting all the PV values. What we're doing here now, we are grouping by, yeah, also that is possible, by the object type in that case. And here we see now we have 27 logging tags and 26 simple tags. Yeah, let's do another one, tag values. So we are querying here now the sum of the numeric value of all the tag values of the HMI tags. And here another one, here we are now already accessing the history values, the log tag values, yeah, of the last 10 minutes. And also you see here that we can use things like that, what you typically use in PostgreSQL, yeah, current timestamp interval, and so those are some other queries. So it is not only limited to the things what you can do in GraphQL. On top of that, we are using Data Fusion as a query engine, and because of that, you can do really cool SQL things. Yeah, let's take a look at this one. This I think is just the history values, but this one is more complex. So here we are creating time buckets for every 10 minutes. We are building the min, max, and average values, and this is now really done in the query engine. What we have built now into this interface. So this is not really done by the backend. Yeah, let's see. So this maybe takes a little bit longer time because yeah, it fetched all the values, and now we're having here the min max average value, and you see here now time bucket is for every 10 minutes. Yeah? And if we take a look on the logs here, then we see that where is it? We are querying the data, the log tag values. Yeah, we have fetched now more than 100,000 rows. This took about 2 seconds in the GraphQL server, and then the data fusion, which is doing the min max average and so on, only took 16 milliseconds. So that is really amazing fast. So yeah, so that's really nice. So we have now a standard PostgreSQL interface to our online tag values, to the real-time values, but also to the history values, and also to the alarms. So I haven't shown this yet, but here we also have the active alarms, and also here we can do filtering. Yeah. So yeah, in that case we only have one alarm. Yeah, but also this one can be queried via SQL. And the cool thing is, yeah, by doing that, you can also use um, Grafana, yeah, and there's no special data source plugin or so needed. You only just have to use, or you can use the PostgreSQL data source plugin. And yeah, all what you have to do is to specify here the right query, of course, that one you need to know. And yeah, I think same can be done, for example, for Mendix or so. They have adapters for SQL databases, or you can use, I don't know, Power BI or so. Doesn't matter. Wherever you are able to use PostgreSQL database, in theory, you can now use this one, yeah, and to access data from WinCC Unified. Yeah, and I think that's really, really cool and amazing, and it really opens a really broad range of use cases where you can get and access data of WinCC Unified. Thanks for watching.